words don't seek any ma labang chini vek nang kok po ka knowledge bang do nang kok lan sin nang speaking athagi writing athagi chanan ko lal obis apor bisi pini bang ke non la non il tum chali bom athela ke chali cheng to phanu mati di halata chali pon bom nang kok po ang deng pang tu chat chat nang kok po hai. Okay, we'll do this now. Moni tum chingi bom lo pulote arta da charju po kon an lo ma arta. Let's say, listen to this dialogue, model dialogue. How old are you? How old are you? Nangli arta ko an lo po pan. How old are you? That's right. How old are you? Nangli mani pan arta arju gi pulote la son lo. You have to ask this way. Ask this way. How old are you? Okay. So how old are you? How old are you? There are four words, but in spoken English, nalikin dia long bangke pilo ki klem nang po. You got to combine these two words. Okay, like hini bang pacarap ik cheng oi. Ken nang li ken je bang joy ke po chat chat po. How old are you? Older. Old pen are pacarap ik dan oi. La pen la old are padim long bangke older po. Older. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Bởi trong nó start spoken luôn kìa. Bà bong mi ong lo, bà thi ong mi ong lo. Là sẽ là đa bằng cái how old are you? Là sẽ là bằng connected speech bởi là bà sẽ là me alam thì tụi mình cái connected speech mà. Bà sẽ là sẽ how old are you? How old are you? I'm 32 years old. How old are you? I'm 32 years old. How old are you? How old are you? Okay? How old are you? I just turned 28. So here only this is connected speech. Lalo kapachar apni parang bang isi sile nung ye chok. How old are you? I'm 32 years old. 32 years old. La bangta years old. That's I'm 32 years old. La soning ye that if you say this way, then years and old can be combined, can be connected. So you can say years old, years old. There are two words, hini alam tido dak years and old. Sita spoken along here, nangli. In spoken, you can combine these two and make into one word. Nangli si alam ti penchong den mu years old. I'm 32 years old. How old are you? I just turned 28. Okay, so just listen once more. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 32 years old. I'm 32 years old. How old are you? I just turned 28. Okay, listen once more. I'm going to say, speak. How old are you? I'm 32 years old. How old are you? How old are you? I just turned 28. Okay. So, how old are you? How old are you? Listen and repeat. Okay. How old are you? You say after me, Christina. How old are you? How old
How
are
old are you?
you? How old are you? How
Older.
old the okay? How old are you? Boleh cho kita là baca je boleh. How old are you? Older. How old are you? Okay. How
How
old are you?
old are you?
All right. Say after me.
How old?
I'm 32 years old.
I am 32 years old.
Years old. Say years old. Nangli. You don't say I'm 32 years old. This is you don't wait. Nangli dang hong he la nang yerap pa years old. Mane years old.
Year old.
I'm
Year
32
old.
years old.
Year old. I
Years
am 32 old.
32 years old. Years old. Years old. Yes. I'm 32 years old. Okay. Years old. Years old. 32 years old. Okay. All right.
I am 32 years old. I am 32 years old.
Or you can say, that's on our target tandung. When you're telling about your age, when you tell about your age, you can say this way. That's on lamjiran hungjemi, that's on sentence penda. I'm 32 years old. Mate nangli ata 32. Mate 25 pusita. Jadli pusita nangli a number li nungji chota chong. You can say only the number like this. It means the same thing. It means the same
Mm.
thing. Okay. You can say I'm
Mm.
32. Okay.
Mm.
You can say
I'm 32.
I'm 32. Like you can say
Mm.
now, I'm 25. Nangling ko ra polar tapul din nangli. I'm 25 years old po tapume. Mate nangli simply patiek pen I'm 25. Pulote napan si putamlu. It means I'm your age is 25 years. Okay, that's meaning. So people can say I'm 32. Simply say in shortcut, in brief, they can say I'm 32, or they can say I'm 32 years old. It depends on your choice. I'm 32 years old, but there are some people who will say simply I'm 32, meaning I'm 32 years old. Okay, I'm 30 years old. Okay, you repeat after me. Okay, I'm 32.
I'm 32.
I'm 30 years old.
I'm 30 years old.
30 years old. I'm 27 years old.
I'm 24 years old.
27 years old.
I am 27 years old.
Years old. As bang bachoning nói years old. I'm 25 years old. 27 years old.
I am 27 years old.
I'm 24.
I am 24.
I'm 52.
I am 52.
So we'll practice on this line. That's why line chalik nang kinungje. I'm 32 years old. Okay.
I am 32 years old.
I'm 27 years old.
I am 27 years old.
I'm 24.
I am 24.
I'm 42.
I am 42.
Okay, so now this is the way. Now, this sentence we're going to learn. I just turned 28. I just
I just
turned, hmm, say,
I just turned 28.
non headlang yun eh. Birthday cepat talon, ani say headlang, ni 28 lo, keep playing at lo. Okay, so I just turned 28.
I just turned 28.
Turn means what? To change. Aprang la so aprang
Mm.
pang ke 27 lo, sita non headlang je 28 ke cuman. Ningkan, ingkon ke arta. So turn mean change, keprek, kachalar. So to change to become something. Okay, before this person was 27 years old. But recently, non headlang adidingo elang, he just, or they just turned 28. Meaning the 27 has become 28. Okay, 27 is changed to 28. That's the meaning of this. I just turned 28.
Mm.
So just mean here kapila adverb lang mo nang chali po adverb non litum grammar chali litalang adverb po tila son la very recently non het jong lang pa pan lang. Okay, just po non het jong lang very recently are you think pila non het lang pa pan lang non het jong lang, so you have used just. So just turn 28 non het jong lang ne le 28 kipling Nyarta 28
Mm.
applying. Okay, that's the meaning of this just. So just the very recently.
Mm.
So that's the meaning. So komane non headlang ang birthday choche klo lang mate ani si headlang birthday chatalon. Okay, chong si arta bang 17 lo bolte. She just turned 17 papa. Or my brother just
Mm.
turned 18. That's simple. Or my brother just turned 20. That's all. Say,
Mm.
I just turned 19. nangli tumla date of birth ke chini ne ke de mang ke thai karni bang ke
Chini.
chini de nangli bang ke
Mm.
lo so ta bang lo so chik lo ne mang ke thai padet lo ma mate wang wang jilang ma kon se
Ni pada
padet lo de
ni February 17,
17 de
19,
oh te la so
1990,
1990
19.
hmm te nangli la so nangli birthday ke 17 February 17 pulote March molom le mane nangli atana ji pulote nangli umela peneng la March molom pulote I just turned 25 po nangli la so nang ke I just turned 25 by morning abang ke
Mm.
March molom made February 20 February la nangli birthday ta palon de da phi 17 par de da phi ke nangli nung je melo la so I just turned 26 Papa morning ke. See, I just turned 25. I just turned 26. San Pan. Mati chiklo John apila choke. Chiklo John ni apila pumi. So hormuge. So I just turned 28. I just turned
Mm.
29. Okay. I just turned 28. I just turned
I
19. Okay. I didn't
okay.
bilang. Popon I
Mm.
just turned. Okay. Cuman lo
Mm.
nili. Arta 28 lo sita non ari ding pipelang chua check lo ma de chua hopta chua rui opanta ume. So I just turned 28 de. I just turned
Okay.
19 papa. Okay. David
Mm.
just turned 26. Komania pinso David arta ari ding pipelang chua check lo si 26 years 25 pen 26 kiplang lo polote nang lila son pumelo. David just turned 26. Okay, so this is the meaning of a sentence. A jor mat a meaning la so fansi budam lo. Are you ding people ang kumani a birthday chapalon lo polote nang li lason pumelo. I just turned 28 pupon. I just turned 19. I just turned 26. Okay. Mom just turned 42.
Mm.
Mom just turned 42. Kumani bang apply bang 41 years lo. Kamari aji dingwe lang birthday chatalon lo 42 blank lo. Polote. Mom
Mm.
just turned 42.
Mm.
Okay, so listen and repeat. Okay, are you taking now?
Mm.
I
Yes,
just
sir.
okay. I just turned 28.
I
Say
just turned 28.
turned. Okay, the porque दिया थे past tense में turned. I just turned 28.
I just turned 28.
Hmm. I just turned 19.
I just turned 19.
David just turned 26.
David just turned 26.
Mom just turned 42.
Mom just turned 42.
Yes. Okay. So now again, listen and we'll practice this. How old are you? I'm 32 years old. How old are you? I just turned 28. Okay. All right. Now we'll
Mm.
practice. I'll say the words
Yes.
spoken by A. You speak the words spoken by B. Okay. How old are you?
Mm. I am 32 years old. How old are you?
I just turned 28. Okay. Now, again, you say the words spoken by A. I'll speak the words
Mm.
spoken by B. Okay. Changing now.
Mm. How old are you?
I'm 32 years old. How old are you?
I just turned 28.
I just turned 28. Good. So now practice. How do we improve our spoken and writing? When we practice, when we repeat, bom bulate labangke, isi dokokpo, betang pen dokokpo. That's why this is important. Okay.
Mm.
Pini cepat lagi bulate. Huni pong tong pong pila borui bom lo padela. O ata long long le dampo labang dokokpo labang bon elo. That's why this
Mm.
drilling is important. Okay. So
Mm.
here, sorry, these are the sentences which we will be which we'll learn to drill when speaking drill on these lines. These are the lines. How old are you? I'm 32, but I'm 32 years old, but I just turned 28. La sentences priloi tum ka Charlie pini ke la roll one pang ke gap fill to po adag bang pa that po nang ile nang lining jinang po kichenge lang ding ni belo api bangge ayang alam thi pa that po la pupulo din nang limu lang le pin penta nang ye tek po. Okay. Okay, we'll do this. We'll practice this. How old are you? Okay, 4 lines. Okay, so let's practice. Roll one, listen and repeat. How old are you?
How old are you?
Once more. How old are you?
How old are you?
Nang Jin, right?
How old are you?
How old again?
How old are you?
How old are you? Okay, all right, good. Now, this is very easy, only 2 words. It's 3 words there are, but the contracted form is I'm here. So I'm 32.
I'm 32.
I'm 24.
I'm 24.
Say,
I'm 24. I am
I'm,
42.
I'm 42.
I'm 53.
I'm 53. Okay, now listen and repeat. I'm 32 years old.
I'm 32 years old.
I'm 30 years old.
I am 30 years old.
Okay, now you speak.
I am 27 years old.
Years old. I'm 27 years old. Again.
I am 49 year old.
Years old. Years. Like S bang pachoning na. I'm 49 years old.
I'm 49 years old.
Good. Now let's practice this line, this sentence. I just turned 28. I just
I
turned,
just
yes, say. I
I
just,
just turned 20.
yes, go. Once more, do.
I just turned 28.
Good.
I just turned
Mm.
oh, sorry.
Okay, say.
I just I
Say.
just turned 19.
Just turned 19. Okay, now in the same way, say this, gap fill this.
I just turned 53.
Mm. Okay. This.
David David turned
David
26.
just turned.
Oh, David just turned 26.
Mm.
Mom just turned 42.
Mom just turned 42. Okay. All right. Let's practice now. Dialogue practice. Okay. There are some words missing. Lamte avedalo. Nangli tabig nangpo. You will say the words spoken by A, but there are some words missing. So you have to fill up the blank. Okay. Nung na laba. A.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old. How old are you?
I just turned 28.
Yes, I just turned 28. Okay. All right. Nonabang lalo. How old are you? Nilibang nunyi po. How old are you? You say the words spoken by B. Okay. How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
Mm.
How old are you?
I just turned 28. Okay. Again here, try the first one.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old. How old are you?
I just turned 28.
Yes, I just turned 28. Okay, I just turned 28. Okay, so this is lesson 2, unit 3, lesson 2. A little minutes is there, 10 minutes. Okay, we can continue. So this is another thing. When is your birthday? Okay, when is your birthday? Okay, so this is the title of the lesson, unit 3, lesson 2. Okay, when is your birthday? Birthday. Okay, so people will ask, Chinky Bomlo Potenke, Arta, Tacharjupo, Mankete Karnia Charjupo. Okay, they'll ask about their birthday. Okay, so this is what is asked by A, speaker A. When's your birthday? Birth, okay, birth, particle birthday. When is your birthday? Okay, then B replies, B thagdalo, my birthdays. When's polite, when is papano? When is putananelo? You don't have to say when is, you simply say when's. When's your birthday? Polite, nangli birthday kumentulo. Kolo soarnilo, papan si putamlo. When's your birthday? My birthdays. Birthdays, polote. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. When's yours? Okay. Yeah, listen to this. When's your birthday? My birthday's on the 2nd of June. When's yours? It's in December. Okay. When's your birthday? My birthday's on the 2nd of June. When's yours? It's in December. Okay. So listen once more. When's your birthday? My birthday's on the 2nd of June. When's yours? It's in December. Okay. So when open ang tanig lang. When is when you use these two words in spoken English, it become when's. So when is, okay, when's. Macam mandat po, when is. Putayan lang nilo. Ketok bangga when is po po. Sita kininja long spoken when's po po. When's your birthday? It means when is your birthday? Okay. When is your birthday po po. Sita when's. When is. Nung jitayan na nilo. Wala verb to be is pang nung jitayan. Sita pacharaping nang po when. It becomes when's. When's your birthday? Okay. When's your birthday? Okay. So listen and repeat. When's your birthday? Christina, say this line.
When's your birthday?
When's your birthday?
When,
When's your birthday?
when, when's your birthday?
Birthday. When's your birthday?
When's your birthday?
Then
When's
yeah, when's blutin ng lilabe z porque la pijo kangreng a s bang di arki s hini arki to ise bangge pero kangreng a sana s English long ke ako ise bangge s po pe ise bangge z pula pijo kang y arki hedi la so s g la sila dabang la pijo kang y s bang lo na when's po bang lo when's z po arki bang lo. So when's your birthday? Okay, when's your
when's
birthday?
your birthday?
When's your birthday? My birthday is Dr. Z
My,
Parki Bangla. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. Say this.
my birthday is 2nd of June.
On the 2nd of June. My birthday
And
is
so
my birthday is on the 2nd of June. Say once more.
my birthday on the 2nd of June.
Say the S also. Birthdays. Z. My birthdays.
My birthdays.
Mm.
My birthday.
My birthdays.
Birthdays.
Mm.
My birthdays on
Mm.
the 2nd of June.
Yes, my birthday is on the 2nd of June. The birthday is 2nd June arni. Okay, so here my birthday is contracted to my birthdays. My birthdays means my birthday is. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. Sedakta is nungje
My
nang.
birthday is
Mm.
June. My birthday on the 2nd of June.
My birthday is Z. Okay. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. Z. Parki bang. My birthday is Z. My birthday is.
My
Mm.
my birthday is
Mm.
my birthday is on the 2nd of June.
Okay, my birthday is on the 2nd of June. Kitching bang is punung jita thai percent nang libang. Practice nang ko, you need to practice. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. Okay, my birthday
My
is
birthday
my birthday is on the
mm,
2nd of June.
my birthday is on the 2nd of June.
Yeah, good. Okay, so on means preparation used to say the full date. Say on pulin nang le hola completely full nung jeji chocolate pen nang le arni pen achiklo nung je pulote nang le on punung je melo on the second on ladagya on used to say the on 17 February pupo nang le bangke on 17 February
Mm,
my birthday is on the 17th of February. Say on
mm,
Arni achiklo nung yela peti pulote nang le on puno maso. On is used to say the full date. Okay. Hola aning kan bangke koma 1990 posita pinesita. So my birthday is on the 2nd of June. Okay. Used to say the full date. So on this is used. So here
mm,
la phan ke cardinal number पर la phan ke non second posita first posita 10 posita 17 posita th to po third posita rd to po la number to man ke cardinal number pala cardinal number pala non la first posita first बोले तो नंगली 1 st तो ये के talk bang ke first
mm,
first second बोलो ते 2nd pupo second pupo lamang ke
mm,
third polote nangli 3 pen rd lo topo third polote nangli 3 pen rd polo kinungje ke third pupo fourth polote
mm,
nangli 4th of kumani 4th of December se mahang ke thek polote 4th of December 4 tarikar ni polote nang ke tok bang ke 4 th pupo fourth lahai numbers pan ke cardinal numbers polo lake
mm,
cardinal numbers pala hala nong we ke long price ke long first second third pala high numbers use po first pala te
mm,
tapo po number 1 este po ni labang number lo first po kining je bang ke first po ke cheng siang deng first second pala te lapo po yes 2 and d po lake second panse po down ni command second long pala te kiniang deng li dun pala second po third pala te lason po 3 RD third labangge third pula THIRD third pansi pudam la fourth puga la la fifth puta TH la sixth pu TH ang sila ampar ke cheng bang
mm,
sinang li first pula se la higher numbers panse cardinal numbers pula first second third fourth fifth sixth ampar ke nang li TH bin number a number bin non 10 puse da ya 10th 10 double TH 10th of kumani yung siya mahang tek bangge non 10th of August siya mahang tek labote. My birthday was on the 10th of Papa. My birthday is on the 10th of August Papa. Okay. So this is what 2nd of June pume mate the 2nd of June the 2nd of June mate June the 2nd pume man June 2nd pume. My birthday is on pugadopo. So
mm,
on p nangli the 2nd of June putupume on the pupita on 2nd of June puta chok the 2nd of June la bangai litum dagdolo mate la sonung je puta June the 2nd punung je the chok la the chok lo Okay, my birthday is on June the 2nd, Pachok. My birthday is on June 2nd, Pachok. See, Rokom plido, son pli, a rokom do la, hai the sub chocolate, chocolate, nali kolobang lo, ninghang, mate kolobang, sinung jijima, a jor a meaning is it. Okay, my birthday is on the 2nd of June, for dim long angli, my birthday is on 2nd of June, Pachok. That's so fancy budampo. My birthday is on 2nd of June, like a little tumungelo. But my birthday is on June the 2nd, Pachok. Mate, my birthday is on June 2nd, Pachok. Da be better. See, a meaning bang is betla. So you can say in any of this way. In any of this, you can use any one of this. Okay.
Mm.
See. So this is how you can say my birthday is on 2nd of June. Okay. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. My birthday is on 11th of say on 11th of May. My birthday is on the 24th of October. Okay, this way you can say people can say and tell their birthdays. Okay, when the
Mm.
birthday is. So let's learn, listen, and repeat on this line. Let's practice this line. Let's practice. My birthday is on the 2nd of June. Okay, you say
My birthday on 2nd of June.
my birthday is on 11th of May.
My birthday is on 11th of May.
11th. Okay, 11th of May. My birthday is on 24th of October.
My birthday on 24th of October.
Mm. Okay, all right. Now let's practice this. When's your birthday?
When's your birthday?
Mm. When's yours?
When's your
Mm. Now, manin arju that a nangli arju melo. Then when's yours? Pala nang birthday kon lo. When's yours? Yeah.
when's
Mm. So your mean possessive adjective pola habang nali. So grammar ang tanang ko pola si your is an adjective. So it is used with noun. When's yours? Porque yours pala ng birthday kante. Common to lo. Pala birthday. Pala ka noun lo. Say nang li birthday. Pala your birthday. When's your birthday? Pala litum birthday ala litum yours pumelo. Lagi mo grammar chili nang kau po. When's yours? Po kala sapan lo. When's your birthday? Birthday lam chitan po. Command di bang arjulo. When's your birthday? Pala te. My birthday sande. Then aku arju thulo po te. When's yours? Pala te nang li birthday kante. Comment tu lo po pansi po nam lo sila tak nang le my your birthday po te nang lo ta when's yours po lo te nang le birthday kan te comment tu lo po se kar tu lo when's yours. Okay, so your is a possessive noun, so it can stand on its own. Okay, so upon ke 7 day nalo, let's see upon depending tonic na we will stop here. It's already 7. Is it okay, Christina? Should we stop here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on Monday we'll see. We'll hola
Mm.
grammar ta chali na ye pot lai ta padak pon jai na.
Mm. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you.